in this video I'm going to share very important tips for all of students, actually those who are at the very beginning, those who are at the very beginning of their journey, like me. I'm also at the very beginning because I'm not an expert, and I love and I try to speak, and I watch videos, I spend some times, and this way now I can speak some of moments or sometimes with different topics. So anyway, so whenever you get a chance, or when someone tell you to speak for some times or some moments, so you just get relaxed. Okay, you don't need to get nervous or hesitate in your side. You just relax. Okay, someone tell you to speak sometimes about something. Okay, just if someone tells right now to me, okay, then just it's you, not me. Okay, so you just relax. Okay, relax, no fear. Okay, now you have to think, I will make mistakes. Okay, no matter at the very beginning, you may do mistake, lots of mistakes. It's very common, so you don't need to get worry about that. So you start, and you have to you start your your conversation or your lecture that you want to. Okay, so you think in English. Okay, you think in English and try to produce your words and vocabulary in English, and you do need to be very fluent at the very beginning. So you take time and you think just the situation, what you want to speak right now, what you want to produce with by your mouth right now. You just think and focus on that topic. Okay, and try to produce one by one thing. Never try to convert the Bengali sentence in English. Never try to translate like this. Okay, this is sentence in Bengali, and I want to translate and this sentence in English. Okay, not like this. Okay, you have to think in English, and as much as you will be able to think in English, that much you will be able to produce by your mouth. Okay, so now you have to avoid to think to translate Bengali to English, not like this. You have to think in English. Okay, you don't need to try for fluency, you don't need to try focus on another topic for fluency. If you can apply this rule to start in English, to think in English all the time, or all the time during the time of your conversation time or your lecture time, if you're able to convert the whole history or the things of the topic that you want to tell in English, if you want to convert that in either, automatically your fluency will come up. So you don't need to follow other steps to be fluent in your conversation or in English. So you have to think this important and very important tip. So today I'd like to share another simple things in my life when I started my journey to learn spoken English. And most of the time for last 1 or 2 years back, when I continued my study, then I hadn't got any partner for practicing. I stand in front of a mirror and start conversation alone. Okay, so and that time I hadn't got any partner for practicing. I stood in front of a mirror and start conversation, and then I focus on my gesture, posture, and my mouth opening, closing, and what the figure, my face, what my figure look like during my conversation time, and I focus on. And by following this the formula, this tip, I improve to be fluent in English, and I succeed to remove my fearness Okay, whenever someone tell me to speak in English for any topic or to make a conversation with someone, then I can get connected with that person very fast and easily without fearing anything. So now I'm confident and I don't fear anything. So now if I am doing a lot of mistakes, I don't care. So I know I have confidence. So this is very important. Okay, so friends, today normal today, some other days and in some other videos I will be with you some other time. So live well and see you another video. Goodbye.